guys, di video kali ini aku akan membuat senjata ini. Berikut cuplikannya. Jadi sebelum masuk ke videonya, jangan lupa untuk klik tombol subscribe dan nyalakan loncengnya. Oke guys, pertama-tama siapkan satu lembar kardus. Setelah itu gambar polanya seperti ini ya guys. Setelah itu potong menggunakan pisau cutter ya guys. Kalau sudah dipotong hasilnya akan seperti ini. Kalau sudah jadi seperti ini, kalian buat menjadi 4 lapisan ya guys. Setelah itu kalian lem semua bagian lapisannya.
So tell them that I'm gone and I won't wake up. I asked if you wanted love, I just wanted it to last. Now I'm sitting in a pile of my own glass. The emotions got me insane. Feels like I'm losing my mind. We hope we'd work through the pain.
Oke guys, ini adalah bagian senjata belakangnya itu. Kalau sudah digambar polanya, langsung saja potong menggunakan gunting ataupun pisau cutter. Oke, ini dia hasilnya setelah dipotong ya guys. Nah, kalau sudah dipotong, buat menjadi 4 lapisan juga ya. Setelah itu lem semua bagian lapisannya.
And how was happy then? Cause now my thoughts they run away, and I need a safe place. They used to be inside your arms, nowadays it feels like you keep trying to run through me. That won't be my fate. What is life when the money and the fame gone? Broken glass on the hotel floor. Gotta face my past before I end up in your arms. In your arms. I write my thoughts on an empty page, but no matter what I do, I still feel the same in your arms. In your arms.
Tunggu sampai kering. Boom.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home.
Cap, cip, cup, kembang kuncup, pilih yang mana yang mau dicup. Anjay. Langsung saja kita chat.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every too many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline.